The 2025 Tesla Model X, Tesla's flagship electric SUV that continues to blend futuristic tech, mind-bending performance, and everyday practicality into one bold package. Let's dive into what makes this year's Model X stand out. Visually, the Model X stays true to its sleek and sculpted design. The refreshed front fascia is clean and grille-free, with Tesla's signature LED headlights giving it a sharp, aggressive look. And of course, the Falcon wing doors, still as attention-grabbing as ever, remain a staple feature, offering both style and functionality. Pop the door and step inside, and you're greeted with a cabin that feels more like the future than any other SUV out there. The centerpiece is the massive 17-inch landscape touchscreen that controls almost everything. The instrument cluster is fully digital, and there's even a rear screen for passengers. The materials feel premium, with soft vegan leather, real wood accents, and minimalist design that stays consistent with Tesla's aesthetic. But let's talk performance. The 2025 Model X comes in two flavors: the dual-motor all-wheel drive and the insane Plaid version. The Plaid rockets from 0 to 60 in just 2.5 seconds. In a 7-seater SUV, that's supercar speed with family practicality. Handling is precise thanks to adaptive air suspension, and the ride is silky smooth, even at high speeds. When it comes to range, you're looking at over 330 miles on a single charge, depending on your configuration. And with Tesla's ever-expanding supercharger network, range anxiety isn't much of a thing anymore. Charging is quick, convenient, and integrated directly into Tesla's navigation system. Safety? The Model X continues to be one of the safest SUVs on the market, with top-tier crash test ratings, a super low center of gravity thanks to the battery pack, and Tesla's autopilot suite that includes advanced driver assist features. Full self-driving is still in beta, but it's getting better with every update. And then there are the little things, like the panoramic windshield that gives you an unbeatable view, the yoke steering that's, well, still controversial, and over-the-air updates that keep the car improving long after you've driven it off the lot.